Okay, question 5. Suppose that a plane flying 1,200 miles west requires 4 hours and flying 1,200 miles east requires 3 hours. Find the airspeed of the plane and the effect that the wind resistance has on the plane. So again, a lot of times for all of these word problems, it's best to figure out what they're really asking you to find, which are always going to be your variables. And they want you to find the airspeed, or the speed of the plane, and they also want you to find the effect that the wind resistance has on the plane, which is basically the speed of the wind. Okay? So, we know we're dealing with the plane that flew west and east. We also know that we're dealing with the rate times time equals distance for these scenarios. Okay? So, we know a plane flying west travels 1,200 miles in 4 hours, and a plane traveling east going 1,200 miles takes 3 hours. So, since it takes more time to travel west in the same amount of time as it takes to travel east, we know that the wind is hurting or going against the plane when you're heading west, because it takes more time. So this is going to be the speed of the plane minus the speed of the wind. For east, you must be with the wind, so it's going to be speed of the plane plus speed of the wind. Now we can use this little box setup to create our equations. So one equation is going to be x minus y times 4 equals 1,200, and I can simplify this by distributing and get 4x minus 4y equals 1,200. Okay? Then to make this problem easier, I'm going to divide all of these by 4, since they're all divisible by 4, and I get x minus y equals 300. The other equation, you're going to get x plus y, which is the rate, times the time, which is 3, equals 1,200 again, which is the distance. Again, you're going to distribute to simplify, and you're going to get 3x plus 3y equals 1,200. Again, you can divide through by 3, giving you x plus y equals 400. Now I've got my system of equations. I can line those up underneath one another. And if I add straight down, I'm going to get 2x. The y's are going to cancel out, giving me 700. Divide by 2, and x equals 350 miles per hour. So there's the speed of the plane. Now I just need to figure out the speed of the wind. And I can do that by just simply plugging that in for x right there, giving me 350 plus y equals 400. Subtract 350, and the speed of the wind is 50 miles per hour. Go.